Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
You begin by preparing both the sticker and the target surface so adhesion is reliable. Wipe the area clean, then peel just a small exposed edge of the backing to control placement. Once done, hold the sticker by the non-adhesive edge and align its center to a reference line or ruler. This prevents crooked application. Make sure to work in good light and steady your hand, because precise alignment now saves time and avoids repositioning later. You apply the sticker by anchoring the exposed edge to the surface and then smoothing toward the free side. This prevents bubbles and misplacement. As you peel the rest of the backing slowly, use a squeegee or credit card to press from center outward. This technique forces air out and ensures full contact. Make sure to keep a slight angle as you work so the adhesive engages progressively. This step-by-step control reduces wrinkles and lets you correct small shifts mid-application. You finish by firmly burnishing the entire sticker, especially the edges, to lock adhesion and prevent lifting. If any small bubbles remain, a gentle pinprick followed by smoothing toward the nearest edge releases trapped air without ruining the graphic. Once finished, allow about 24 hours for the adhesive to cure under normal conditions before exposing it to stress. If a large misalignment occurs, carefully peel back along the edge and reapply.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.